Another mission-critical project today, inspecting a ventilation install. The ceiling installation is planned for phase 1 of the project. The general contractor has requested an inspection of all facilities to ensure everything is installed correctly before starting the ceiling work. Here, you can see we identified a significant discrepancy in the mechanical duct placement. The ventilation unit is installed approximately 600 millimetres north of the BIM design, causing a potential clash with the ceiling support and lighting fixtures. This misalignment conflicted with the future electrical fixtures and required changes in the design of the ceiling supports. Upon identifying the misalignment, immediate steps were taken to address the issue. The general contractor was promptly notified and a detailed quality report was issued to the subcontractor responsible for the duct installation. The proactive resolution of the issue ensured that the ceiling installation could proceed without additional interruptions. The client expressed satisfaction with the thoroughness and efficiency of the inspection process, highlighting the value of AR technology in maintaining high standards of installation and project execution.